boxing contest consisting of 3 1-minute rounds. So let's welcome first, boxing out of the blue corner, Bailey Carlin.
So our first boxing bout of the evening. We have got a few lined up. A couple of title fights, kickboxing and boxing. Set up to be a really good night. Bailey Carlin entering the ring now.
Jensen Ross!
Jensen entering the ring, very confident. Fight scheduled for 3 1-minute rounds.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a boxing contest consisting of 3 1-minute rounds. So let's all welcome one more time in the blue corner, boxing out of USA, Bailey Carlin! And his opponent in the red corner, boxing out of Stafford Fight Factory, Jensen Roach!
Fast start from both boys here. Bailey working the body there. Jensen countering. Lovely left hook there from Jensen.
The uppercut hook crosses there as he's coming in. Good.
Nice little combo from Jensen again. Bailey is countering. Just missing with that overhand there.
Go to the body after the head. Go to the body after the head. Go to the body after the head. Get your hands
Great
up.
work from both boys in this round.
Head, then body. Head, then body. Head, then body. Head, then body. Now body, then head.
It's a nice mix of head body shots, varying from body to head. Both boys really. Jensen just landing the slightly cleaner work at the start of this round. Nice jab cross from Jensen there. And again. And right hands out missing at the minute. Bailey's moving nice. It's a nice body shot there from Bailey.
I want you to be faster. Sharper. Left hook, right hook when he's coming in. Left hook, right hook.
It's a nice left hand from Bailey there. Jensen countering. Lovely work. Lovely work from both boys here. Again. Bailey's doing better this round. It's a better round for Bailey. And Jensen just backed him up.
faster. I need you to be sharper. Faster and sharper. Out of back.
It's the end of the second round. It's a nice little match this. Both boys are working well. Both landing clean shots. Third round. So that's better work from Bailey, making him miss. Finally getting in. This is a good start from Bailey to look into his third round.
Let's get on it, sharper. Stop rushing. Stop rushing. Stop rushing. Patient. There you go. Good
Nice
shot.
there. Jensen backing him up to the ropes. Good movement from Bailey to get out off the ropes.
Head the body. Good shot. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Jensen. Nice flurry there from Jensen.
I want them shots to be straight. Nice and fast. Yes.
Lovely uppercut. Again from Jensen. Nice right hook, left hook from Bailey there. Both boys landing good in this round.
Finish strong. Finish strong. Finish strong. Beautiful.
And that is the end of the fight. Going to the judges' scorecards, this one.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for both of these boxers. After 3 rounds, the judges have reached a unanimous decision. To the winner, in the red corner, Jensen Rose! And around the applause, his opponent.
It was a great fight, great match up made there.